How to add a new asset. Step 1. Add an asset type. Go to Admin Settings in the left side menu. Click Templates, then select New Asset Type. Fill in the details and click Save. After saving, you'll be able to add custom data points for this asset type. Click Save. Step 2. Add your asset. Click the plus icon next to Assets. Choose the asset type you just created. Fill in the details. Click Save. That's it. Your new asset will now appear in the directory. Stay on top of your inventory with Dot5.